All right, how's everyone doing today? My name's Alex. I'm a bookkeeper with American Bookkeeping Services. And I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to set up recurring transactions. So in your QuickBooks Online account, just make your life easier, make it something that you don't have to worry about every month. So right now you can see we are in the dashboard. So what we'll do is we'll go over here to transactions and then down to recurring transactions. Click on that. And this is a sample company, so you can see in this list here the current recurring transactions. So these happen it has the interval every month. It has the type, so the bill, scheduled, and just the name that we have input for that. Also has the next date and the customer or vendor and the amount. So if we want to make a new either bill or invoice, or there's several different, you can see, we can just click new. We can make bills, non-posting charges, checks, credit memos you might be interested in, and especially also invoices. So if you want to send an invoice to a client monthly, we can click invoice. So this could be really useful just to make sure that you're not forgetting to send them an invoice. It's helpful for you. So we'll click create there. So we can, here we have template name. We can put in invoice for something else I should note is for recurring bills or invoices or credit memos or anything that's recurring, it's best if they are fixed amounts. So something like a phone bill or a water bill or electricity bill where it might fluctuate, probably not something that you necessarily could have as recurring. So just keep that in mind. So we will set this invoice for mowing. This sample company is a landscaping company, so we'll just say that we're invoicing a client. We're a landscaping company, and we're invoicing a client for monthly mowing of a field or something like that, maybe. So we'll do invoice for mowing, scheduled, and so we can also create these in advance just to kind of help our client or whoever is going to be paying us, help them pay on time. For customer, we can search through our customer list here. So we will just pick, this is a sample company, so we'll just pick Diego Rodriguez. Email, it autofills that, which is nice because we already have the client information in our system. And then monthly interval, we can also change this to daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And then we can pick which day of the month we want to actually send that out. So, and then the start date will need to be a date so today is January 31st. Obviously, you can't have it start in the past, so it needs to be either today. So it will invoice. So completing this screen does not automatically create an invoice today. It will start tomorrow because, as we have here, it's the first of every month. So today is January 31st. It will start February 1st as the first invoice that gets sent to the client. Okay, and then we can set an end date. So if we want it to only be a year, we can set it after 12 occurrences, or we can have it be by end date, which is pretty cool. Or we can also just have it go indefinitely. Down here, we have the client's billing address. We have terms. So due on receipt means that the client needs to pay on the receipt of the bill, and then, that's when it's due. So it's good practice to do that. And then we can also add some tags if we'd like. So, just to add additional information for us to remember later, we'll just leave that blank for now. And then for product service, we will go down and see if they have, we'll put it as gardening services here. And we'll say, we'll actually change this to monthly gardening service, because we said earlier we're going to pretend that this is a monthly mowing of maybe a large field or something. And although maybe it could be weekly, but we'll just keep it monthly for now. Quantity, rate, we'll set it at, say it's like the size of a football field or something. We'll set it at $200. Amount $200. And then we can also, it's nice here, we can add a message on the invoice as well for our client. So when this gets sent to them, that's what it will say. Pretty nice. And then we can also add attachments. So maybe like a completion report or pictures of, if your business does that, pictures of the completed job. That would be just nice for an audit trail, just to, You can also have discount percents here, which is interesting. So if you want to give your client a discount for, being a loyal customer, we'll just leave it how it is here. And then sales tax rate. We can also add a sales tax rate. I'll do a separate video about that. But we'll just save the template here. Okay, and then you can see here, invoice for mowing, scheduled, transaction type, invoice every month, next date, that's tomorrow. And then we have our customer vendor, and amount is $200. So pretty simple to add recurring transactions in your QuickBooks Online. So again, my name is Alex Horvath. I'm a bookkeeper with American Bookkeeping Services, and excited to keep making these videos, keep helping you guys with your books, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Have a great day.